Guys, let's cook. We are having lax today. Oh, I saw it. I told you yesterday he made one feet and then he fall down. So guys, we are having lax today. Let's make fish. You know we have big house now, full house. Yes, so we're gonna make fish. Look at Daddy.
Come. Come.
Yeah, like this. Yeah, look.
No.
Don't worry.
He will not anymore. Let's leave him. He will go. Yeah, Richard, leave him. He know what he's doing. He's not playing with us. Richard, leave him. Richard, leave him. Igbo should leave him. Duh. Come, put it. Come up. Get up. Up. Up my hand. Up my hand.
No, not.
Ash, Richard, don't play rough with her, will you? Lily.
Lily.
Lax. You people's favorites. Their favorite fish.
I would only do eat fish.
I know. When Richard is not eating any other thing, he can finish 2 lax. 2 salmon fish. So here we call it lax.
No, Pop.
My hand is frozen. Frozen hands. Now let's. It's a bit too much.
Tetris.
I hope I remember how I put them. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope I remember how I put them so that I wouldn't break them. Anyway, even if it's broken, it's all going to be eaten. So this is already made spice for salmon fish. You can see this in Amazon. You can also see it in Sweden. Besides Sweden, I'm making. I'm very sure it's from Sweden, but this is Germany. You know, when we come to Germany, then they have to remodify it to German satisfaction. Yeah, it's what they will have to remove what, for example, what Sweden like that Germany doesn't like. They will have to remodify it like that. Like now, they write everything in German word, isn't it?
Yeah.
But if this is a Swede or Norway, sweet or no waiting for each of them. I'm gonna add a little bit from here. Because I'm making for the 8-pack first. For the 8 pieces. Then I'm gonna make for the 7 pieces.
You bought something other than please. Hey, Princess. This is a gift from Princess.
Now I have the fish that is waiting up now. What am I gonna do? It's still gonna stay there. Don't care. It's okay.
Since first I heard her voice,
Okay, now
Princess Kaguya has not let her
I'm gonna repeat the process.
set out on my quest, desperately searching for Buddha's path. Over meadow and mountain I walked, calling on temples throughout the land. Reaching exhaustion, I sat myself down by a stone.
Here. Still have some few inside.
Taken by a beautiful wildflower.
Then the last one. Have you rested? Yeah.
My love for the princess spread within
Okay. My love for the process. Can you please reduce that? Thank you. Princess Ebony. Yes, tell your sister.
What's already so like it?
Who's not so distant?
Why are you reading it? Why are you watching a love story?
This
And YouTube is not going.
He's watching animation. This YouTube is not going everywhere.
There is no internet.
Cannot be possible.
But
It's
there's no
possible because they are asked not to watch YouTube.
We can teach mommy.
Richard, why are you? What is because mommy say? Because you people watch what I don't know.
Mommy, but I want to.
Richard, why are you crying on the floor because of your brother?
Mommy, I want to watch Sammy and the girl who.
You watch this girl too much of makeup that is always doing makeup. That's why I will not rest because of makeup in this house.
No.
Yeah, she keep watching somebody, those little girls doing makeup all the
Them. I
time.
don't want to watch them.
And then she keep asking for makeup.
Mommy, I want to watch Sammy and a big girl.
I don't know which one is Sammy.
Sammy, the big slime. But you know, no.
I told her to stop watching that makeup two girls, two sisters.
One is 19 and one is 16.
Imagine watching 19 and 16 doing makeup.
I see you.
So they're going to go to the oven and then I'm going to start making mine. You guys want potato puree now? Potato, I don't want to work too much. I'll just do potato, normal potato.
Put these aside. Honey, get them aside.
I think I'm just going to cook potato, just like that. When I make potato, they don't eat it so much. When I make puree,
But I want to eat potato puree.
when I make puree, they eat potato puree too much. So I think potato is okay. Let's cook potato then. At least it will still lessen my work. Making potato will still lessen my work.
Liam.
Lee baby. Lee dada. Eh? How many days to your birthday?
3, 4.
4, thank you.
Today,
Is it 4?
3.
3. It's 3?
Yes.
Yeah, 3 days to your birthday.
Yeah.
10.
Oh.
You have 3 days to walk.
3 days, he's already walking. He's already doing some stuff. So I'm already pleased. Anna did not even make a step on her before her birthday. Huh? Actually did not even work, even how many months later. So I'm pleased that Liam has already made some steps. Unfortunately, I've not been able to get. Unfortunately, I've not been able to get it on the camera. But he is already making some steps.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Guess that's enough.
I guess so. But you don't want to make puree.
No, I don't want to make it. I don't want to stress. Already have too much of nervousness for Liam's birthday.
Mhm.
Oh.
Okay.
Hope it.
You see? Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Lemon
Very
squeezy.
So guys, food is ready. Look at that. The fish,
Food is
the potato,
Mommy, I had it upstairs.
and green beans.